Module 5, Teaching Mathematics, How to Make Young Learners Adopt the Concept of Addition Easily. The addition is the first big mathematical step after early learners build basic number sense. Teaching and learning addition can be fun and easy if we use some of the following methods to introduce an addition to young learners. 1. If your child is a visual learner, you can also use an abacus to teach them how to add and subtract. From the starting point, move a number of beads from one side to the other. Then ask your child to count how many beads you moved and then how many beads you left. Repetition of these methods helps kids become better counters and help them grasp the principles that will help them with addition and subtraction. 2. The golden bead material is a Montessori material first used in primary to introduce the concept of the decimal system. The children are able to see and sensorial experience the different categories of the unit, the 10, the 100 and the 1000. A single bead comprises one unit or a point. 3. Montessori addition stripboard teaches preschoolers and kindergartners the mathematical concept of adding numerals 1 through 9 more abstractly. For example, to add 2 plus 3, ask the child to arrange 2 red blocks on one side and 3 blue blocks on the other. Then ask him/her to count all together to find the sum. 4. Countable manipulatives will make addition concrete and much easier to understand. For example, counting on fingers is the most intuitive place to start before transitioning to tokens, bottle caps or paper cutouts. If you want to incorporate some movement, put students in small groups and have them join up, counting out the total number of members once more are added. 5. The transition to visuals is a very effective process. We can start transferring addition to paper by using illustrated sums or having students draw objects they can count. It is best if you put visuals alongside members to promote the association between the two. 6. We can use number line. A number line, however, removes the need to count out the first number in the sum. If the sum is 4 plus 3, for example, students can put their finger on the 4 to start with and then count up 3 places to reach 7. They no longer need to count out the first number to reach the solution. 7. Once students know how to use a number line, they can use the counting up strategy in their heads. For example, if students need to add 4 plus 3, they start with a closed fist and say 4. Then they extend 3 fingers one time. Now they can start with a 4 in their fist and then count up, so the answer is 7. 8-word problem encourages students to identify additional problems even when they are not clearly specified. Such as x plus y, x extra, x added to, total amount, in all or all together. Some children learn well by doing mental math. Others respond by counting out physical objects like raisins and blueberries or by using picture books.